Hi everybody, this is Mimi HD. Today we will be doing the slime slime challenge. Wait, can you see it? Maybe you can't see the slime challenge. I'll get it out. Oh my god, slime. This is slime. I played a lot, so it's really sticky. I'll put it on my face. That will be a bad idea, and it will stick. Oh yeah, and I put my hair purple. Okay. Oh my god, are you ready? I never felt it was my face before, so yeah. Okay. Oh my. I can't see anything. I'm blind. Ah. I don't know where to go. Wait. Close that stupid door somewhere. No, that's... Where's the door? Okay, the door's right here. Guys, I really don't see anything. Ow. I think it... Ow. No. If I open... oh my goodness. It's like... Okay. This is the slime challenge, and it's really bad. Oh, my face hurts right now, my eyes. Don't ever do that, because don't ever open your eyes when you're doing this thing. Better not. But, oh yeah, and I'll do a YouTube video, but like, I'm doing another challenge. Yeah, and go subscribe Stacy. I started Dogcraft, but Stacy, go see her Dogcraft world and subscribe her and subscribe me. So bye!